have here our speaker, Krishnal Giho, and she's here to prove that whether it's true that if you graduate in school, you will be more successful. So, let's welcome here in stage. Here's the mic, Krishnal Giho. The stage is yours.
Greetings everyone! Is it actually true that if you get better or high grades in school, we will be more successful in life? Hey! I am Krishnal Giho and I am 14 years old. Many others do not agree with this saying, but many also agree with it, and I can prove it. Did you know that many people became successful because they graduated from prestigious universities and earned honors such as being cum laude or higher? Their lives became successful because of this. And I'm here today to prove it's true. Research has consistently shown that academic achievements in school is strongly correlated with long-term career success. Here are some notable research findings. A study by the National Bureau of Economic Research found that students who perform well academically tend to earn higher salaries, experience better job security, and are more likely to be employed in prestigious and fulfilling careers. This is because academic success not only provides foundational knowledge but also develops critical skills like discipline, time management, and problem solving, traits that are highly valued in the workforce.
Here are 5 tips to help you leverage your education and achieve success. First, continuously learn and adopt. Second, network and build relationships. Third, set clear goals and take consistent action. Fourth, develop emotional intelligence. And fifth, embrace failure and learn from mistakes. By integrating these strategies into your post-graduation life, you can set yourself up for a fulfilling and successful future.
Take Miriam, the fencer, Santiago, as an example. She is one of the many people who graduated with better grades in school and became successful in life. She had a distinguished academic record. In fact, she graduated valedictorian in Iloilo Provincial High School in 1950 and later on graduated magna cum laude in the University of the Philippines or UP. Success in life is shaped by many factors. One undeniable cornerstone is academic achievement. The research we have discussed today shows that performing well in school isn't just about earning good grades. It's about gaining the skills and knowledge that you set out for future success. Good grades lead to better career opportunities, higher salaries, and greater chance of personal fulfillment. So as I reflect on the importance of education, please remember this. Striving for excellence in school isn't just about the grades themselves. It's about what those grades represent. The dedication, discipline, and determination that can propel you toward your dreams. Academic success may just be the key to unlocking your future. Thank you.